is Angie Hunt. We're at Creative Creations 2018, and we're in the LDR's Creative booth, and I have a lot of really cool stuff to show you. We've got a brand new product line this year. This is our Creative Creations line, and all of this beautiful artwork is by an artist called Andrea. Her name is Andrea Gamon. This is an art journal set. It's a really big set, really thick foam on it, but look at the size of these images. This stamp set is going to allow you to find your inner artist. You're going to be able to create absolutely stunning art journal pieces and canvases just like you're seeing here. Here's the other one down here. This is Fly Free. And right over here, for the card maker in you, we've even got some smaller stamp sets. These are all designed to be colored, ready to go on your your acrylic block. Absolutely stunning. Let's make our way over here. Our Creative Creations line also has some beautiful traveler planners. These travel planners, these are 1-month planners. And for all those people out there that want to be able to really easily do a planner, you want the artwork in there, you don't necessarily have time to decorate it yourself, we've done that for you. Look at these gorgeous illustrations all throughout. And these are completely customizable. You're going to be able to choose what month and what year, the date that you want. Each one of these also comes with 2 sticker sheets. And we've got 4 beautiful planners to choose from. We've got spring, summertime, autumn, and winter, all ready to go. You're also going to be able to put that in a beautiful black patent travel planner. You can actually carry up to 4 of those in there, so they're just wonderful. We're adding a lot of new stamps to our line right now, so we've got a beautiful collection of clear stamp and die sets. This is a new candy bean set, for example. Look at those adorable images. And here you go, some beautiful clear stamps all ready for you to stamp. Get those colored up. All the dies perfectly coordinate, cut out a lot of those images. We've even included some wonderful theme-inspired sentiments with each one of those. We've got kitten caboodle and some puppies. For all you Winnie lovers, we've got a polka doodle mini Winnie. And look at these adorable little animals in here. And we've even got a monster mash. And for all you planner girls, we've got our Go Girl set. Wonderful, wonderful girl power. We've got 2 sets of those, clear stamps and dies, ready to go. We've also added some more to our die line. One of our favorites, a lot of our customers love these. This is our Build-A-Card. These are all ready for you to cut out your card base. We have all of the embellishments in there. One of the big things that we like to do with our dies is provide you with full, complete die sets, so you have a lot of accessory pieces in there as well. And look at the size of this die. Absolutely beautiful. All these little butterflies. It's our butterfly wreath die. And then we have the coordinating borders. If you move on over here, one of our brand new products is our hybrid ink pads. We've got a full range of 25 colors. We've got a watermark. We've also got craft stamp cleaner. Makes it super easy for you to clean off and condition your acrylic and your rubber stamps. We've got embossing powders. Like I said, we have the watermark over here, full range of colors, ready for you to get started. It's a hybrid ink, so you just stamp it and you're going to be able to use that with your alcohol markers. You're going to be able to use it with watercolor paints as well. You don't need to heat set it, you just stamp it and go. And for all of our polka doodles lovers out there, we've got a beautiful new range of dies. And if I haven't mentioned yet, all of our dies have a Teflon coating on them. So they're pink, they're beautiful, they're going to look gorgeous in your craft room, but it's also going to help to release the paper from the die really easily. Beautiful versatile doors and windows, so you can create your own designs on your doors and windows and florals. And we've got fences and mailboxes and so on. Full range there. For all those who already love our stamp and cut sets, we've got a new clear stamp and cut set called Blooming Bugs. Here's a beautiful card example right down here for our Blooming Bugs. You're going to stamp, you're going to color. These are going to allow you to really easily make your own custom floral arrangements. And we have added some more of our favorite Winnie rubber stamps. These are all foam mounted, contour cut, ready for you to go. We've got multiple stamps in some of these packages. This is our Pretty Perfect range. So we have 6 new Winnie Polka Doodle stamps in this range, plus we have our Winnie Pretty Perfect papers. And right up here you can see all of the gorgeous, beautiful patterns in this paper set. And we've got even more polka doodles for you. You've seen our Winnie, but you haven't seen our beautiful country friends. Look at these adorable little friends, little animals. They're in their little balloon. Again, this is a rubber stamp, foam mounted, contour cut, ready for you to get started. And we have our lovely Lilacs paper pack, 6x6 paper pack. If you're not familiar with our papers, you'll want to know that they are a really good 85-pound cardstock. They feel really great in your hand. They're going to give you really, really wonderful quality projects. I think you're just going to love them. The colors are just beautiful. This actually is a little house that was made by one of our illustrators. I thought I would point it out because this is done with all of our dies, and it's actually done with these lovely Lilacs papers right here. Thank you so much for joining us at LDR's Creative. We're here at Creativation 2018. We're so thrilled to be here, and we can't wait for you to try out our new products. Thanks so much.